Hey, fourth grade, Miss Sarah here. I miss all of you so much. Your teachers were telling us that you guys are still working on fractions, which is super exciting. I know that sometimes fractions can get a little bit boring or they can get a little bit hard, but I just want to encourage you guys to really stay up on your fractions and really pay attention. Over the weekend, my husband and I were making a recipe, and it called for 2/3 cup flour, and we had to double the recipe. And then we were like, 2/3 cup doubled? Wait a second. Pull out our handy little whiteboard here. We had 2/3 cup flour needing to be doubled. So we're going to double this. Because 2/3 is kind of a hard one to just double, isn't it? I think it is. So like a half would be easy because a half and a half equals one whole. But 2/3 makes you stop and think for a second. So 2/3 plus 2/3. When we're adding fractions, what does our denominator do? Do you remember what our denominator does? When adding fractions, our denominator stays the same. So it is going to stay a 3. And then we just add our numerator. 2 plus 2 is 4. But that looks funny, 4/3. When's the last time that you looked at a measuring cup and saw 4/3? I think we can simplify this number. What do you think we can do? Think about it. 4/3. Our denominator is smaller than our numerator, but our denominator needs to be bigger than our numerator, okay? So, Caroline, do you want to help me here?
Sure.
Come here. Do you see in here how we can simplify this?
Yes, 1 and 1/3.
1 and 1/3. Thank you. So that's all we needed. We needed 1 and 1/3 cups flour. So when you think fractions are silly or really hard, I really encourage you guys to pay attention because that is stuff that you're going to use for the rest of your life. And it comes in real handy. So especially if you want to be a cook like me. All right, guys. I'll see you later.